In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect an external API key to your workspace in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to your main workspace area. Next, look for the settings or configuration area where external tools and integrations are managed. This is where you connect third-party services using API keys. Once you're in the integration section, select the option to add a new API key or external connection. Then paste your API key into the input field. Make sure the key is valid and has the correct permission for the service you want to connect, such as data access, automation, or content generation. After that, save your configuration so Hermes can securely store and use the API connection within your workspace. Once connected, you can reference the external API directly inside your prompts to extend your agent's capabilities, such as fetching data, triggering workflows, or syncing external tools. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.